leaking or dripping rear main seal, I would add this to see if it stopped it. (9:31 p.m. Saturday, December 5th. Have some AT-205 reseal right here, and then I have a O-ring that I pulled off a camshaft thrust plate on one of the last videos I did. And what it should look like, or what it should feel like, I have one right here. It's nice, soft, pliable. You can mold it and turn it, but the one I took off is rock hard, right? So I showed you the time and the date because I'm going to put some AT-205 right here on the table. Soak it. I'm just going to drop some drops onto the seal. Come back tomorrow morning and see if it's softened this seal up at all. I don't know what to expect. I hope it does. I hope it does what it says, but let's see if I can get any AT-205 out of this. Got a little bit. Put that there to stop it, make a little dam. So we will let this sit overnight. Hopefully it doesn't evaporate, and come back and see if the AT-205 reseal actually softens up this this O-ring. 3:01 Sunday, December 6th. Here is the seal. So in the last video you guys saw me do, got the AT-205, just dribbled it onto the rock hard seal, and lo and behold, look, it's actually flexible. It's actually pliable. What I should have done is gotten another bottle of this, gotten a glass, and soaked it in the AT-205, but I didn't. I just want to see if dribbling it on there would actually make the seal flexible again, and it actually did. So if it did this with a couple of drops, think what it would do when you put it right directly in your oil like you should. So I don't want to hear any hate comments. Oh, he didn't do it right. He didn't mix it with oil. I just wanted to see if it would actually do anything. And it did. So very impressive. I'll put some links down in the description below to AT-205. But I guess if you wanted to rejuvenate your seals, this is the way to go. If you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money. If you had like a leaking or dripping rear main seal, I would add this to see if it stopped it before spending thousands of dollars on replacing the rear main. So AT-205 looks like it works.